More updates now. This is an update that is coming in from Bengaluru in a very shameful incident that has been reported. An assistant sub-inspector in Bengaluru was suspended after a video emerged of him assaulting migrant workers who had come to the police station asking for help. On this video, we can see that the police officer could be seen yelling, slapping and even kicking the migrant laborer who wanted to register their names to return to their home state. Additionally, the cop asked them to leave the police station, saying no passes were issued there. But this is an extremely shameful incident that has been reported and the video of which has gone viral. Let me get in my colleague Shrija for this. Shrija, an extremely unfortunate and a shameful incident that has been reported. And in this video, we can see how this particular sub-inspector, the assistant sub-inspector, could be seen assaulting and brutalizing this poor migrant laborer.
Well, that's right, Apurva. In fact, remember not just the activists, but we're also talking about where opposition parties over the last couple of days, where they were trying to highlight the sorry state of affairs as far as the migrants is concerned. Now, this is something what we are looking at, a very unfortunate situation where the assistant sub-inspector attached with KG Halli police station here in Bengaluru, now identified as Raja Saab. We see that these migrants, at least 4 or 5 migrants, they entered the police station to understand what really is the status of their in fact the passes, because what they also tell us is that they had registered on the website, but still they haven't got any communication either from the police department or from the labor department, because these are the migrants who are planning to leave for their hometowns. And since it's been so many days that they have been just taking refuge at various places, they just wanted to leave the place as far as Bengaluru is concerned. But remember, they did in fact walk into KGLE police station to understand what really is the state passes. So that is when we see that this particular sub-inspector, he just came out, and you can also, as far as the visuals are concerned, we can also look at where he is kicking and asking them to vacate the premises and telling them that no passes are issued here, you won't get any passes. And he also goes on to say that you will be beaten if you do not leave this place. So clearly this is such a huge shameful incident that we're looking at. And also remember, right after this particular went viral, we understand the DCP, the East DCP SD Sharnappa, he immediately suspended the cop as well.
All right, Shrija, many thanks for joining us and bringing us all those updates.